Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a link in Telegram. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself and it will lead you to this chat page where you can choose any of your group or channel. Let's choose this one right here, and all you have to do is look at the top right corner. You can see a profile icon. Let's tap in there. And again, let's go to the edit option right here, and here you can see various options. All you have to do is tap in the second option, that is invite links. Let's tap in there, and there you go. There you can see a big blue button that says share a link, so you can tap in there and you can share a link like that. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, please do not forget to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.